Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100, and this is another subscriber requested video. Recently I made a video on the Shiba Inu, and please, one request please, and I have done it. Okay, now here the second one is the Reef coin from another subscriber, so it would be a short video on the Reef coin. Here if I show you, this is the overall analysis of the Reef, overall picture of the Reef, and over the 24 hours 11% supply has increased for the Reef coin. If I show you the Twitter handle, let's see, do we have anything new coming up for the Reef coin? 6 hours, looking for guidance on how to move from Ethereum to Reef chain, and we love to ensure like this one. Okay, they might be shifting towards the Kanalua network. I don't know about that one, so I'm here just to give you the technical analysis chart here. Now if we take a look at the area here, this was a distribution, small candles, okay, and it tested the bottom, and then accumulation period started, and we saw a breakout here. Now this was a breakout candle. Okay, if I show you the close movements here, this was a breakout candle, and you saw that once it made the swing high, the few candles ranged. This was a ranging period. Okay, this was a ranging period, and after the range it tested here at the breakout area. Okay, this was an important area of resistance, so it tested as a support. So here we can consider this area to be an important level of support here, 0.01906. okay, this was an important area, and you can see the trend line is also testing. You can see we saw a one rejection. Okay, now we have another rejection here. Now again we have broken on the third attempt here, at the third attempt here. So we have broken this resistance and the trend line, support and the trend line. Now it has rejected as a resistance. Now you can see here, if I show you here, closely watch this one. Okay, once this level was broken, then the few candles tried to test this trend line. So we can see here it is a valid trend line, so we are now below this trend line, guys. Okay, and if I draw another trend line from this local to this area, then we might be hovering in between these areas, maybe in the upward channel like this one. Okay, but right now what is the scene? Okay, what is the scene is 0.01906 is an important support level. Okay, and this is the range. Basically this is a demand zone. Okay, a support zone 0.02. you can see if the price one make the swing higher due to the dump, the price came down, broke down this resistance, this trend line, and then we saw a new confluencing. This is the point of confluence. Here you can see the trend line testing as well as the support line, so it is an important area. If this area gets broken, 0.01906, if this area gets broken, then we would be testing the next support zone, that would be at 0.015 and 0.016. okay, so we need to stay above these zones. Okay, so right now you can clearly see there is no perfect direction. Okay, you can see the number of buyers and the number of sellers same, equal on both sides. Okay, so it shows that we might be in a ranging market. When you see this type of candle, it is an indecision candle, indecisive candle. Indecisive means no confirmation, or either on the upside, either on the downside. We might gonna see a ranging market like this one. Okay, we might gonna see a ranging market. You can see the volume. This is the type of volume here. If I show you the ranging volume, and let me show you, this one was the accumulation period, and you can see the low volume here at this level. This was a ranging phase, and you can see the volume was higher as compared to the accumulation. So you can clearly watch out the difference between the accumulation and the ranging phase. Now heading towards this area, we might be forming another ranging phase at this area, and you can clearly see the volume again started to form the same thing like this one. Okay, just like this one. Okay, here you saw previously we arranged in this zone here. Okay, you can clearly see. So right now it is very difficult to, you know, predict these kinds of coins. You know, you have to narrow down all the details. So it took me a lot of time, and I'm doing this, you know, live, no you know, nothing else before. I'm doing it live for you. Okay, so ranging market, just practice your eyes, train your eyes for the range market, and then you can predict a lot. Now on the upside, we have this as a important area, 0.023887, because you see here we also got another you know, ranging market. So 2 times before it has ranged. Now after, you can see the movement of this coin is that once it break out or break down, it forms the ranging market. If you clearly see from this area, let me show you again once more. If I go down, sorry, if I show you the past history of this coin, you see once this level was broken, came up again, broken, so this was a range. Okay, once this level was broken, again coin went into the ranging market. Okay, then it went into the distribution phase, then accumulation phase, then breakout. Then once breakout, then again we saw a, you know, ranging market. Here we again saw a ranging market. Now again it went down. Now we might be again in the ranging, so the price of range would be in between these two areas. Okay, so during the ranging market, you can only scalp it after the breakout. Either it can break out either on the upside or on the downside, depends on the volume. So right now there is no clear direction, but if it breaks above 0.2387, then we are heading towards these two areas. And I think that's pretty much it for the, you know, Reef. And the strong you know, the strong resistance would be this one. Once it break out 0.0276 in the future, okay, the target of the next target would be high. Okay, that would be somewhere around this area. Let me draw the price here. This would be around 0.03. So if you're hoping for the price to move towards this area, it would take a lot of time. Okay, it would take a lot of time, but here first we need to clear out the area right now. So this was a quick price prediction of the Reef USDT. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.